Hello and welcome back to Angular 2 Masterclass with Alejandro Rangel. In this video, we are going to talk about pipes. Pipes are just classes that takes an input, whatever it is, a string, a number, an array, and then it produces a transformation in this input and produce some value or some output. So basically it works like a filter. For those that come from Angular 1, it's exactly the same. This was a filter in Angular 1. Now it's called a pipe. There's a reason behind it, but now it's a pipe. And we can think, okay, we have an input, we apply a transformation, and when we have an output, where do we use a pipe? Normally, a pipe should be used in a template. For example, we could have a number, right? And then we can transform this number in a currency, just applying the dollar symbol, the currency symbol. So we don't need to do the interpolation every time, like number plus for concatenating with the dollar symbol. No, we can use it in conjunction with the pipe, and then we produce an output that is all the time the same. Yeah. How does it look, a pipe? Okay, well, as always, we need to import from Angular, from the core of Angular, the class pipe. Okay, this will be a decorator, and also the pipe transform, that is an interface. Okay, super important. We can see here that we have a class. The class is named ellipsis pipe, and this class is decorated with the pipe decorator from Angular 2, and the name of our pipe will be ellipsis. This name is the one that we have to use in our template. Don't confuse this name with the name of our class, okay? This is two different things, okay? So continue reading the code. We see that we have the implement, okay? So we will use the interface pipe transform. So we have to implement this function, and this function takes an input, okay? This is the value, the first parameter, and it receives several parameters as arguments, because we will need maybe extra parameters for the transformation that we want to apply, and then we have to return a value. This value can be of any type, okay, because our transformation could be, for example, transform a string to a number. So the input is a string and the result is a number, but it could be put it in an array and return an array, okay. In this case, well, we are just applying the ellipsis option. That is, if we have more digits in the string than a certain value that is passed as a parameter, then we shrink this and then we put the 3 dots in the end. So as always, we will do an example by coding. Okay, so let's go for it. Well, I talk about this. We must decorate our class. And this is what I explained before. So let's go for coding. It's going to be more interesting.